Labor, Employment, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship LESDE Department. Convergence with LRN as Department for Upscaling of Surveyor Training Course. LESDE Minister Pulal Nginglafamarli LRN as Minister Pubilal Chanzavate Malagna in Surveyor in the Ilolutukti Omtura Department Panhite Thoho Natur Convergence Framework to July ni Samni Panga Sangni Samni Panga Khan LESDE Directorate ze ani. Convergence Framework hian Government Industrial Training Institute Surveyor Training Course ti chakle ti changklunte ITI Surveyor Course zirtan on the job training le placement sam sakte LRNS Department Nwaya Surveyor tatan ITI Promotion Course Orientation Course le Refresher Course bot saite atel Convergence Framework hi Department panhi Secretary ten sign in Minister panhi in aninhlan ani Mizoram Building Other Construction Workers Welfare Board MBOC WWB Awareness Cum Registration Campaign October ni Sompali Sang ni Somni Pali Achanga November ni Sompariat Sang ni Somni Pali Chungkhan Awareness Cum Registration Campaign to Assembly Constituency Somli Huam Chunga nei ni in Kwale Veng Zania he hun himman ania hemi campaign hun chung hian mi sanga zriat somnga te chu MBOC WWB anin ziaklut ani mi puitam zok hena MBOC WWB puanzar le tilarnan festival event lian thamte sponsor chin ania sponsor turati felto zinga Independence Day Football Tournament 2025 na Sinkut 2025 Mezo Idol Season 8 Comedian Search 2024 Interveng Basketball Tournament 2025 te atel MBOC WWB Nwaya Scheme on Skill Development kalklangin Welfare Board member le an independent mi zasari somni pasari chu job role shanga train to ania mi zali somjat panga in certificate an nei to an zinga mi zani samsari par ni te chuan na an muto ngeng he ani Welfare Board member te ham chatna ti pun MBOC WWB Nwaya ham chatna chang children educational assistance, medical assistance, death benefits, maternity benefit, cash award le adangte atan kumsang ni somni pali atanga sang ni somni pangachungin cheng vaibel chakwa noi somriat pariat sing ni le sanga semchwa ani Welfare Board member ta din mun ngai poimo in December ni nga sang ni somni pali khan anham chatna shang te ti pun ani Member me cha ta naw ni lompui na chu cheng sanga atungin cheng sing khata ti pun ani member kum somruk tlin ma hliam wang emo nat na khir emo wanga na thok thei to lo chen puina cheng singa thleng ni chin chu cheng noi khat thleng ati pun ani member le anfa te nu pui pasal nei lompui na chu cheng sanga atungin cheng sing khata ti pun ani member fa te pani chin nei tan le khazir na sen so chen puina Children Educational Assistance to hetiangin ti pun ani KG1 ajoga class 8 alhui cheng sangthum athar cheng sangli class 9 to class 12 alhui cheng sangthum athar cheng sanga undergraduate alhui cheng sanga athar cheng sangruk ITI Polytechnic Diploma course athara cheng sangruk Professional and Technical Degree course alhui cheng singkhat MBBS le engineering athar cheng sing ni postgraduate athar alhui cheng sanga athar cheng sing ni scholars researchers alhui cheng sing khat athar cheng sing ni PMJJBY le PMSBY MBOC WWB beneficiary that to athonin PMJJBY life insurance le PMSBY accident insurance ti sakan ni tundin huna PMJJBY mi sangthum panhi le PMSBY mi sangthum zanga le panhi tan sanction to ni in hemi atan hian cheng noi sompathum point samsari pakwa sen to ani Skills on Wheels hi Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship MSDE Government of India Nwaya Project Pakhat Sankalp Scheme Nwaya Mu Ania Ministry Yan Cheng Nwai Somthum Pania approve ani Skills on Wheels in Tumber chu thingtlang kholha le kil khorzok skill development training shang dong phavelo te tan le skill development training shang dong phavelo te hena skill development training pek ani hemi atan abi kadwan vehicle bolero camper 5-seater skill development training na bungra le manjwa shang phur thei tur ra man ani a mobile training center tur anga ra man ani skills on wheels a hian abul chan na tan assistant electrician training and machine general training pek phot ni se ti ara man ani a training equipments te po achunga hian da felvek to ani skills on wheels hi July ni somni pakwa sang ni somni panga khan LESDE minister pulal ngeng lova mar chuan a hong ani skill development initiatives project baniya training program Mizoram Youth Commission le Honda India Foundation the Changkopin Hotel Management Food and Beverages Training Program an kalpui chu September ni sompariat sang ni somni palia Chief Minister Pulal do aman honga he program noya hian mizo thlai za somni pani train chwakin an zinga somko apasarin na an muto ani Phase 2 hi July ni riat sang ni somni panga khan LESDE Minister Pulal ngeng lova marin honga Phase 2 a hian mizo thlai zanhi training pek tum ani PMKVY March sang ni somni pali atangin skill development project lian Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana PMKVY maya Mizoram State Special Project kalpui mek ani tundin huna mi sang ni zakwa somni paruk train chwa to ni in mi sang khat sanga som pathum te certified ani to bok tluang taka kalpui thei chuan mi sing khat zani somni thling training pek thei tur adwan ani May ni somni panga kha North is a apprenticeship tilarnan leti mason na tour a pilot initiative for special intervention for the promotion of apprenticeship in the Northeast region NER2 Union Minister for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Pujayant Chowdhury le Mizoram Chief Minister Pulal do Omatachuan Aizola an Hong he initiative maya hian Northeast State achang apprentice te lo chuti pun ani dona Northeast State shangami sing ni sangruk velin lok pui tura chut ani August ni som pathum sang ni somni pali kan Toyota Kirloskar Motor TKM Private Limited le LESDE Department ta chuan tho ho na tur memorandum of agreement yakin TKM hian ITI zirlai ten hena general technician course mechanic le akai noi training an pe mek ani Government ITI Aizola Toyota Technical Education Program hi January ni sompali sang hi somni panga khan LESDE Minister Pulal ngeng lova marin hong heng he LESDE Department le Shanaida Electric Foundation SCIF ta chuan December ni somni pasari sang ni somni pali khan tho ho na tuthlung MOU zakin Mizoram ITI pathum Aizol lunglei le siaha ate SCIF Sumin Electrical Solar le Industry Automation Course Zernatur Laboratory changklung takdin anidon Bengaluru a SCIF Entrepreneurship Incubation Center a ITI zirlai tamzok anin tuaisham theinan thodun anibok ani Mizoram State Skill Development and Entrepreneurship MZSDEM June ni somni pakwa sang ni sompariata dinto MZSDEM chu January ni kwa sang ni somni panga khan Chief Minister sa tak kai shwaina hnuaya Governing Council meeting masaber nei ni in ataka kalpuichan ani he policy hnuaya committee shang te po January ni ruk sang ni somni panga khan hathok thei turin siam that ani to bok Mizoram Skill Development le Entrepreneurship lama malamek department dang tenen changhoin mission mode alian tham akalpui turin halak ani ang Government ITI Aizol sakchat crores somni panga Government ITI Aizol sakchat na le ti changklun na atan sa skin waya cheng vaibel che somni panga moni in he project hi Mizoram PWD 10 an execute dona na po chan thei chep ani to hei hian ITI Aizol chu ti changklun le zwal ati changklung le zwal he don ani The Mizoram Youth Commission Act 2025 March ni thum sang hi samni panga khan the Mizoram Youth Commission Bill 2025 chu Assembly House a pass ni in March ni sompariat sang hi samni panga a act hi Mizoram Gazette a notify ani he bill manghian MYC chan malak na mu mal le omzani le zwal zok ani theidona thok tu lak dan chung changa te sumvon le malak na shanga mu mal zok na kal theito don ani. The Mizoram Private Placement Agencies Regulation Bill 2025. The Mizoram Private Placement Agencies Regulation Act 2015 man mek chu afam kim tok lo na shang ta siam chani in the Mizoram Private Placement Agencies Regulation Bill 2025 chu March ni thum sang hi samni panga khan Assembly House a pass ani. Hedan thara hian Indiaram pon le chunga na thok te baka Mizoram chung sarkar le private thlenga na tho dan mo mal taka in kai shwaina bil tel ani. Indiaram pona na son saktu placement agencies ema recruiting agency ten Indiaram pona in thon theina le dan anzom turte sarkar lai puidan omsa the Immigration Act 1983 in alodwan ta chu da telbok ani. Hedan thar hian me domestic workers may baka na shang unskilled, semi-skilled, skilled 1 and 2 ahwam don ani. British Army Recruitment Drive. August ni sompakwa atanga ni somni pali sang hi somni pali chung khan Mizoram Youth Commission chuan British Army atan deal mi zanhi somli pasari te chu athlonin an deal na abwai pui saka mi pani chu British Army a hian tlingin midang pathumin final result an ngak mek ani. LESDE Department waya machop mek te Overseas Recruiting Agency Mizo chalai ramdang na tho tur zong mek le zong le thok mek ten harsana an to chinte sukyang tur le all samzok le dan anga recruitment te kalpui ani theinan LESDE Department chuan the Immigration Act via Protector General of Immigrants achangin registration certificate nei a recruiting agency pakhat ani theina turin ma alamek ton achanga relo te approval mu bai se ani. MBOC WWB beneficiary tetan tunma alo om ngai lo ham chana siam sakturin machop engamazat a om pakhatna Azon na kailon skill development training for MBOC WWB members. Aizawl West 1, West 2 le West 3 Assembly Constituency a Mizoram Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board MBOC WWB member tetan skill development training kalpui tura malak ani. Survey ni zo to ni in training hi September ni khat sang hi somni panga atanga chantura rawang man na siam ani. Hei pilot project tour ni in beldanga po kalpui zeltum ani. Panina zirna run choikan elevating schools. MBOC WWB nwaya hian sarkar school choikan scheme thar kalpui tura rawang man na siam ani a. He scheme hian welfare board a in registered tele anfa te mai baka heng school thanchwa bika zirlai no pangzong tatan ham thatna siam saktum ani a atira chuan sarkar school pali thanchwa ani anga component pani infrastructure development le skill development waya mason na huap zo om theinan kalpui tum ani. Pathumna the Mizoram Banakai handholding scheme for building and other construction workers 2025. He scheme hian a tumber chu MBOC WWB nwaya in register tetan apung omlavalon lak chwa theina siam tum ani. Welfare board member 10 leirim anlora theinan le an na thona ata na manjwa le bungra mamo te ol samzoka an lei theinan duan ani. Scheme kalpui dan tur ruang guidelines chu MBOC WWB meeting in pom to in ataka kalpui thwai thei turin chak taka bo zui mek ani. Ole khadisung khatun chuma LESDE Department nwaya malak na tele ama chopte kanrun tarlan theite chu anile ta a ngai thlatu te zong hun man nuam le vek ule.